Good morning. Today we're going to present about electronic data interchange. My name is Vinay Gulasegran. The text number 02DAT22F1044.
Hello, my name is Ranjan Munadi. My matrix number ending is 1024.
Hi, my name is Tisha Muniswaran and my last digit number F1050.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lai Jinji. My number matrix is 1016. Today we want to present about our topic, which is electronic data interchange. They have 4 subtopics in this main topic. The first one is the definition of electronic data interchange. The second, transaction authorization and validation. Third one, audit trial. And the last one is access control. Now I will present my part, which is what is electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange is the computer-to-computer exchange the business document in a standard electronic format with your business partner. The first thing, let me explain what is computer-to-computer electronic data interchange. It means the document that flow directly from the sender computer application, such as a logistics system, to the receiver computer application. Electronic data interchange is also the system that used to talk to your trading partner and exchange the business information electronically. Electronic data interchange is very common that used by every organization to exchanging the business document, such as purchase order, invoice, and shipping information. Electronic data interchange is also defined as information that using a standard format, concept of business electronically communicating information that was traditionally communicated on the paper. Now I will present the second subtopic, which is transaction authorization and validation. What is transaction authorization? Authorization is ensure that the parties involved in the electronic data interchange transaction are who they claim to be, and they have the proper permission to initiate or accept the document. They have 2 methods for the transaction authorization. The first one is access control and the second is non-repudiation. Access control is the specify which user or system are allowed to perform the specific action. Example for the specific action is the sending, receiving or modifying the electronic data interchange document. The second is non-repudiation. Non-repudiation is the mainly is to ensure that once the transaction is initiated or accepted, so the involved parties cannot deny their involvement. This is what the definition for the non-repudiation. And also the digital signature are often used for this purpose.
First of all, I talk about the transaction validation. What is a transaction validation? It can provide an external business rule engine to ensure data integrity is maintained and only transactions that meet your specific criteria are passed into internal system. For example, there are a two-way matching compressed invoice to purchase order ensuring items, quantities, and invoice amount match or are within tolerance. And also, three-way matching ensures invoice, purchase order, and ship notice match or are within tolerance. Next, I talk about the transaction validation benefit. You can also have an ensure transaction match or are within your business tolerance before they reach your internal system. And the second one is email alerts, media application advice or both can be provided for all discrepancies. And the third one, multi-level security laws only authorize individual to approve disputed transaction period to integration. And the fourth one is transaction validation, ensure that the accuracy and integrity whether your business is bound by cybernetic of the order. And also have automatically accept or reject transaction with messages to both parties or hold until approved or rejected. And have a browser interface and email alert to receive notification or potential issues and easily manage them from anywhere. After that, I will talk about the transaction validation methods. There are three methods. The first one is data integrity checks to ensure that the data within the EDI document is consistent and has not been altered during the transmission. And second one is scheme validation. Scheme validation to confirm that the document follow the required structure, including the mandatory fields, data types, and also format. And the third one is business rule validation to ensure that the data meets the specific business requirement agreed upon by the trading partners, such as correct pricing, valid product groups, and acceptable delivery dates.
Now, I would like to talk about audit trails. Audit trails actually a process of record accounting, business details, and also other financial data to make sure the data provided can be traced to the resources. Audit trails also can be used and verified that tracks all the transactions and accounting transactions that happen. It's make sure that no any error occurs. Next is type of audit trails. There are three type of audit trails. First is internal audit. Internal audit is an independent service to check and monitor the organization's internal control and also review companies' operations day by day. Second is external audit. External audit is in reviewing the financial statement by a third party who is not under any companies or any other specific departments which define rules and regulations. Third is internal revenue service. Internal revenue service, which is called as IRS, who responds to apply tax law and performing audit, also processing tax for the citizens.
Next, we move on to access control. Access control in electronic data interchange is crucial to ensuring that authority entities can access, send, or receive sensitive business documents. Since EDI involves automatic exchange of critical business data between trading partners, implementing robust access control mechanisms is essential to protect against unauthorized access, data breaching, and tampering. Key aspects of access control in EDI: authority and authentication. EDI transaction must be authorized. Authority ensures that those with access will be allowed to access the files. Role-based access control (RBAC) to manage those who can access certain type of files. RBAC also restricts access based on function. So let's say if you're a secretary, you can only access few of the files. Then we move on to encryption and data integrity. Encryption is a key component in access control in EDI. Data integrity checks such as hash functions ensures that EDI messages are not altered. Digital signature. Digital signatures are used to verify the authenticity of EDI documents. This adds an extra layer of protection to access control process. Audit and monitoring. EDI system should maintain a detailed log of all transactions, including those who access data, when, where, what actions were taken. Partner agreement and policies. Organization typically establish EDI agreement with their trading partners. Network security. Access to the network over which EDI messages are transmitted. Compliance with standards. Often need to comply with industry specification regulations such as HPIA. Importance of access control in EDI. Protection against unauthorized access ensures that only authorized users and system can access or modify sensitive business documents. Data integrity and confidentiality maintains the accuracy and privacy of the data. Regulatory compliance helps organization meet legal requirement. Trust and reliability builds trust between trading partners.